So what's up again, YouTube? Another unboxing here, another thing from China. Just as an update of the last product that I unboxed, that little LCD screen. It actually did not allow my camera to be, the LCD couldn't close with the lens facing inwards, but it's cool because the LCD cover kind of protects it anyway, so it's not a big deal. So let's see what this is. It's got the Canon logo here. So if anyone is, so it's a remote control for the Canon T3i, and it probably works for other Canons also. If anyone who's watching these videos knows anything about, this looks like the box it was probably supposed to come in, but they ended up flattening it. But it does say Canon on it, so I don't know if this is like a authentic thing, but I think I got it for like $1 or $2. So definitely go on eBay and get one of those if you want to. Here's what it looks like. I mean, but it is coming from China, so who really knows if it's real or not. So I guess if I slide this part out, the battery becomes connected. And it's got a little switch right here. You know, for all the things that I usually ignore the instruction manual over, looks like it would be nice to have a instruction manual for this thing. Like, all it's got is a button and an arrow. I don't know if that's just the shutter. Is it like is there a way to autofocus it? Is there a way to zoom in or zoom out? Not quite sure, but I will test it out and I'll put some information in the description. And if anyone knows anything about these Canons, what I've been trying to do is use this microphone and plug in my headphones into the Canon, and with the 3.5mm jack, trying to use this microphone, which works really well on my laptop and stuff like that. But however, when I plug it into the Canon, the audio is pretty much unusable. Let me see if I can demonstrate it here. I'm going to plug it in, so this is me talking now, and then I'll just I don't know what I'll say, maybe count upwards to like 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm not sure if that actually got recorded or not, but if anyone knows how to use one of these things properly with the Canon T3i, please let me know in the comments or private message me or whatever. But yeah, so this is what this is for, and I will test it out and let you know how it works. And thanks a lot. Bye. Here's a little close-up of it. There you go. Alright, thanks a lot.